Before we dive into the article, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Among the various characters in the Marvel Cinematic Universe who have been introduced as potential replacements for Black Widow, it's clear that two of them may not be given the chance to be shine. Scarlett Johansson's iconic character, Natasha Romanoff, was the original Black Widow, and her legacy continues to be felt throughout the MCU. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, the term Black Widow is often used as a catch-all phrase, but Natasha Romanoff remains the beloved original character. As the Phase 1 heroes wrap up their stories, the studio has been subtly setting up legacy characters to take their place. Characters like Sam Wilson as Captain America and Jennifer Walters as She-Hulk are examples of this transition. However, Black Widow stands out among MCU characters with a significant number of potential successors. The MCU has set up 3 Black Widow replacements since Natasha's death. And Yelena Belova, introduced in the 2021 film Black Widow, has a strong connection to Natasha and appears committed to carrying on her legacy. She was raised within the Black Widow program alongside Natasha and has already shown her dedication to avenging her. In a different scenario, Antonia Dreykov, who was initially thought to be killed by Natasha, survived but was later transformed into Taskmaster as part of the Black Widow program. More recently, Ruth That Seraph emerged in Captain America Brave New World, showcasing exceptional combat abilities and hinting at a past as a Black Widow. Despite having 3 potential successors, 2 of them seem to have limited roles ahead. Yelena is the only one with a confirmed future within the MCU, set to be a major character in Thunderbolts. In contrast, Taskmaster's MCU prospects appear less promising, with limited promotional appearances and a possible demise in the movie. Ruth's role in Brave New World was relatively minor, leaving the story unresolved at the film's end, suggesting no immediate plans for further exploration of her character. It seems that Yelena is the only Black Widow with a promising future in the MCU, hinting that the other 2 potential successors may not continue their roles. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,